CCTV Camera World is proud to provide support for products purchased from our website. If you purchased your product from another vendor, please contact the vendor you purchased from for further assistance. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the SCI View app for your Security Cameras Inc. NVR or IP camera system. In this video, I'm on an iPhone, so I will need to use the App Store. If you have an Android, then you will need to go to the Google Play Store. So now I'm going to tap on the App Store to open it. Here on the home page, I need to go to the bottom right-hand side to the Search tab. In the Search tab, I need to tap right on the search field, and then I need to type in the SCI View. So I'm typing that now, SCI space View, V-I-E-W, and then tap the search button on my keyboard. Scroll past the ads, and then tap on the Cloud Download button. Yours may say Get. I'm going to tap on that Cloud Download button, or Get. Then it's going to download the app to my phone and install it. So now I'm going to tap the Open icon to open right up to the SCI View. And then it's going to prompt me, it would like to use my Bluetooth. I can tap OK. I'd like to access my camera. I am going to need to tap OK in order to scan the QR code to register my NVR. So I'm going to tap OK. If I want it to send me push notifications, I do need to tap Allow. And then if I wanted to find local devices on my network, if I wanted to add my system or cameras via the IP address, then I would need to tap Allow here. Then finally, I'm in the app, and here it's showing me that I would need to tap the Add Device button to add a device, such as an NVR or IP camera, to the app. And I'll show you how to do that in the next video. Hopefully this video helps you find and download the SCI View app. Thank you for watching. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.